Hi viewers, welcome once again to another wonderful spiritual tip. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on your time, depends on your location. You are highly welcome to another wonderful spiritual tip. Okay, in this video today, I want to share with you a powerful recipe you can do for your document to be approved or your visa to be approved. If you are looking for any of this, okay, you need to watch the video to an end. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Yes, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, so if you're seeking for a document, if you want your document to be approved or you want your visa to be approved, there are certain things you need to do for it to happen because a lot of things are going on in the world we are into. Okay, if you have a negative energy, if you have negative vibes, negative energy, sometimes it affects anything you are doing. It affects things about you. Okay, remember that that's your file or your document. It is a particular person that will sign it. Okay, it is an individual that will sign that document, that file, for you to be able to do what you want to do with it. Okay, so if you have this negative energy or negative spirit following you around, it will be difficult for you to get that document. It will be difficult for you to be able to have that visa approved. Okay, I'm going to be sharing with you on this video things you can do to remove any bad spirit, any negative energy following you around that will make your document or your visa not to be approved by any individual that is responsible of that position. Okay, so make sure you watch the video to an end. So for you to do this, you need to understand that there are items you need to have for you to be able to carry out this spiritual exercise. You need to get this item. Okay, number one item you need to have is cinnamon powder. Okay, you can buy this from the market, you can buy it anywhere. This is cinnamon powder. That's the number one item you need to have. The second item you need to have is sea salt. You can also buy it in the market. Okay, and the third item is stop evil salt. These are three different items you need to have. Three different items you need to have. Take notes. Okay, this is stop evil salt. Okay, now when you get these items ready, when you get these items ready, you are going to use them. You are going to use them for 5 days. For 5 days, not 3 days, for 5 days. For 5 good days. You are going to use them for 5 days. If you have submitted your documents or you have submitted any file that you want or you are writing an exam, okay, you need to do it for 5 days. It should not exceed 5 days. Just 5 days. Okay. 5 days is what you need to carry out this spiritual exercise. Now, you are going to get that sea salt and that stop evil salt also. You are going to mix them together. Mix them together. Okay. Take a little from your palms, from your hands like this. Okay. Take a little from your hands like this. Drop it on the ground on the two places. That's drop it first one and second one. And step on it. Okay. Place your legs on top of that salt, that two salt that you have mixed together. Okay. Step on it and stand there and pray. Stand there and pray. Okay. Stand there and pray for 2 minutes. Say that whoever that is responsible of approving my visa or approving my document, whoever that is responsible of that position, as I'm standing on these two salts, that you will approve my visa and my document. Whatever energy, whatever spirit that will make you not to approve it, that you are canceling it today as you are stepping on that salt. Okay, these are the prayers you will say for 2 minutes. Okay, as you are standing on those two salts that is under your leg. Now, after saying that prayer, you are not going to remove your leg from that two salts. Okay, you take your cinnamon powder. You take your cinnamon powder, okay, and pour it inside your palms. Okay, and pour it inside your palm. And also pray again and say that as you are blowing this powder out, that whatever thing that will stop your document, whatever thing that will stop your visa, that whatever thing that will make your visa not to be approved, that you are blowing it off. Okay, that your document will be approved. After saying that, blow that cinnamon powder out towards your front direction. Okay, blow it out to the front. Make sure you blow all of them out. Don't remain anyone on your hand. Okay, so after doing that, you remove your leg from those two swords that you have placed your leg on. After doing that, remove your leg from that swords. Okay, and that is the end of that exercise for that day. For that first day, that is the end of that exercise for that day. Then you can be able to sweep off that sword for that day. The next day, you repeat the same process with the same sword. As in, take another sword, not the one you used yesterday. Okay, just take another sword. I don't mean buying a new sword, but just pick another sword from the item, the container, okay, with your arm, with your hands, and place on the ground and do the same exercise. Do it for 5 days. Do it for 5 days, okay? And by the special grace of God, you see that your documents will be approved. If you have been seeking for documents approval or you have been seeking for visa approval, do this exercise for 5 days. Okay, there is no specific time for this spiritual exercise. There is no specific time. Anytime your spirit tells you, just stand up and do it. Okay, there is no specific time, and you see that your documents will be approved. Okay, if you have any question you want to ask on this video, make use of the comment section. If you do not understand any part of this video, ask question on the comment section so that I will reply you and tell you what I said. Okay, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like my teachings. Okay, so that's all you need to do. If you are seeking for document approval or visa approval, or you are writing an exam, just practice this exercise and you see that whatever thing you are looking for, both either documents, visa, or exam, you will be successful in it. Okay, so that's all you need to do. If you have any question, like I said before, use the comment section. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.